Metro Airport.
This is VTA Metro Airport. I remember when this building was not looking like that. We're on the VTA. We have hardly any people here. People who's doing this is Dee, Papa, and Rai. And go ahead, Dee.
Can't see. Look it up.
And here we go. Let's go ahead and get some train footage over here.
Oh my god.
Can you please use your real hands, not your shirt that's slippery? Send my phone flying. We're on the VTA light rail. Get some outside pictures, Dennis.
Next station. Karina. Exit to the right.
I'm just a cameraman.
Go down. Walk down.
Okay.
Give me a bigger window.
Got a bigger window? Okay.
Oh, we're over here at the light rail station, Santa Teresa, Winchester.
Karina.
I see we're in Santa Clara now. There's PayPal. Get him up, Dylan. Behind PayPal.
PayPal?
PayPal, right there.
Where? Oh shit.
I'll take my pal over there. That's what they call PayPal. I'll take my pal. Why don't you talk, Dee?
Do I have to?
No. Hey. Here he comes. He's coming up. Police car!
Police car!
Yeah. We're almost at the end of the line. We're almost at the end of the line. On the VTA train.
Component.
We're on the
Next station.
line.
Component.
For the VTA
Exit to the right.
train. VTA. VTA. I think it's VTA stands for Valley Transportation Authority. Valley Transportation Authority.
Okay, you cameraman now. My hand hurts. Also, there's no pause. If you try to pause it, it's just gonna end up your
Bonaventura.
We got it. Hot, hot, hot.
Bonaventura. Exit to the right.
Say train. Right. Look at me. Say train.
Way!
We're on the light rail.
We're on the light rail.
We're on the light rail.
Bonaventura.
Here we go.
Orchard. Next station. Orchard. Exit to the right.
To turn away.
Uh-huh. Here. You want to take over for me?
What?
You want to take over for me?
No.
Because we're going to get over to the light rail station soon.
I want phone. On the
want to help me record?
Okay, I got.
Don't press no buttons. We're recording the train. So I need your help recording the train. Oh. Train station.
Train station.
Orchard.
I think that's where we get off.
Torch.
I think that's where we get off. Okay, let's stop.